Best juicers. Are you looking for the best juicers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best juicers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NutriBullet Juicer Pro. NutriBullet Juicer Pro Centrifugal Juicer Machine for Fruit, Vegetables, and Food Prep, 27 ounces / 1.5 liters, 1000 watts, silver, NBJ 50200. Transform the way you enjoy fresh juice at home with the NutriBullet Juicer Pro Centrifugal Juicer Machine. Designed for speed, convenience, and efficiency, this powerful 1000-watt juicer extracts nutrient-rich juice from your favorite fruits and vegetables with ease. Whether you're juicing hard produce like carrots and beets or soft fruits like oranges and berries, the 3 precision speeds allow you to customize your juicing process for the perfect results every time. With a sleek silver finish and durable glass components, this juicer not only performs exceptionally but also looks stylish on any kitchen counter. The large 1.5-liter pulp basin and 27-ounce juice pitcher give you the capacity to prepare multiple servings at once, making it ideal for families or meal prepping. Its wide feed chute reduces the need for pre-cutting, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Cleanup is quick and easy thanks to dishwasher-safe parts and a thoughtful design that minimizes mess. The NutriBullet Juicer Pro also includes accessories designed to make juicing and food prep even more convenient, ensuring you can maintain a healthy lifestyle without the hassle. Perfect for daily use, this centrifugal juicer is a must-have for anyone looking to boost their wellness routine with fresh, homemade juice. Compact, powerful, and user-friendly, the NutriBullet Juicer Pro NBJ 50200 is your ultimate partner for healthier living. Number 2. Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus. Breville BJE 430 SIL Juice Fountain Cold, 70 fluid ounces, silver. Experience the power of fresh, nutrient-rich juice with the Breville BJE 430 SIL Juice Fountain Cold, a high-performance centrifugal juicer designed to make juicing faster, easier, and more convenient. Equipped with an innovative cold spin technology, this juicer minimizes heat transfer during extraction, preserving vitamins and minerals for healthier, fresher-tasting juice every time. The extra-large 70 fluid ounces juice jug and spacious pulp container allow you to prepare multiple servings in a single session, perfect for families or anyone who loves to prep juice ahead of time. With its sleek silver finish and compact design, it adds a modern touch to your kitchen while maximizing functionality. Featuring a wide 3-inch feed chute, the Juice Fountain Cold can handle whole fruits and vegetables, significantly cutting down on prep time. From apples and carrots to leafy greens and berries, this juicer processes a variety of produce with precision and ease. 2 speed settings give you control over juicing soft or hard ingredients, while the stainless steel cutting disc ensures efficient performance. Cleanup is just as effortless, thanks to dishwasher-safe parts and a design focused on minimizing mess. Whether you're starting your day with fresh orange juice or crafting a nutrient-packed green blend, the Breville Juice Fountain Cold delivers professional-grade results right at home. For those who value speed, convenience, and quality, the Breville BJE 430 SIL is the perfect companion for a healthier lifestyle. Number 3. Hurom H400 Easy Clean. Hurom H400 Cold Press Juicer Machine, award-winning masticating slow juicer, easy to clean, strainer and hands-free with self-feeding, wide mouth hopper, easy assembly, matte black. Elevate your juicing experience with the Hurom H400 Cold Press Juicer Machine, an award-winning masticating juicer designed for maximum nutrition, convenience, and style. Featuring a powerful yet quiet motor, this innovative juicer extracts juice slowly and gently, preserving natural flavors, enzymes, and nutrients for healthier, longer-lasting juice. Its self-feeding wide mouth hopper allows you to load whole fruits and vegetables with minimal prep, letting the machine do the work while you sit back and relax. The H400's easy-to-clean strainer system eliminates the hassle of scrubbing, making cleanup quick and stress-free. With its intuitive easy assembly design, you can set up and start juicing in seconds, ensuring a seamless experience every time. The sleek matte black finish complements any kitchen while delivering professional-grade performance. Built with BPA-free materials, this juicer is safe for the whole family, and the spacious pulp container ensures continuous juicing without interruption. Whether you're making fresh green juices, fruit blends, or nutrient-packed wellness shots, the Hurom H400 handles it all with precision and ease. Perfect for health-conscious individuals, busy families, and anyone looking to add more nutrition to their lifestyle, the Hurom H400 cold press juicer combines advanced technology with hands-free convenience. Stylish, durable, and incredibly efficient, it's the ultimate juicer for those who demand the best. Number 4. Hurom H320 Cold Press Juicer Machine. Hurom H320 Cold Press Juicer Machine, easy to clean masticating slow juicer, coarse strainers, self-feeding, hands-free, family size, quiet motor, easy assembly, white. Enjoy fresh, nutrient-rich juice every day with the Hurom H320 Cold Press Juicer, a premium slow juicer designed for families and juice lovers alike. Built with advanced masticating technology, this juicer extracts juice at a gentle speed, preserving vitamins, minerals, and natural flavors while minimizing oxidation. The result is healthier, longer-lasting juice that tastes as good as it looks. The self-feeding hopper makes juicing truly hands-free. Simply load whole fruits and vegetables and let the juicer do the work. With coarse strainers, you can control the texture of your juice for a smoother or pulpier finish, depending on your preference. The pulp control feature ensures you get the exact consistency you love, whether juicing apples, carrots, leafy greens, or softer fruits. Designed with a quiet motor, the H320 runs smoothly without disturbing your household, making it ideal for morning or late-night juicing sessions. Its easy-to-assemble parts and streamlined design mean setup and cleanup are quick and hassle-free, so you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying fresh juice. Crafted with a modern painted finish in white, this stylish juicer complements any kitchen while delivering professional performance. Family-sized and built for convenience, the Hurom H320 is perfect for busy lifestyles, health-conscious individuals, and anyone who wants to enjoy the benefits of homemade juice. Experience the perfect blend of technology, style, and nutrition with the Hurom H320 Cold Press Juicer Machine. Number 5. Omega VSJ 843QS. Omega Cold Press Juicer Time-Saving Series Slow Masticating for Batch Juicing Vegetable and Fruit Juice Extractor with Extra Large Hopper for Less Prep, 150 watts, black. Discover a healthier, easier way to enjoy fresh juice with the Omega Cold Press Juicer Time-Saving Series. Designed with an extra-large hopper, this juicer allows you to load more fruits and vegetables at once, minimizing prep time and making batch juicing simple and efficient. Whether you're juicing leafy greens, hard vegetables, or soft fruits, this slow masticating juicer ensures maximum nutrient extraction with minimal oxidation, giving you smooth, delicious juice that stays fresh longer. Powered by a 150-watt quiet motor, the Omega Cold Press Juicer delivers strong performance without the noise, making it ideal for early mornings or shared living spaces. The slow, gentle process not only enhances juice quality but also extracts more vitamins, minerals, and enzymes compared to traditional high-speed juicers. Built with user convenience in mind, this juicer is easy to assemble, operate, and clean, saving you valuable time in your daily routine. Its sleek black finish and compact footprint make it a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen counter. Durable and versatile, it's designed to handle everything from greens and herbs to hard root vegetables, giving you endless juicing possibilities. Perfect for families, health enthusiasts, or anyone looking to simplify their juicing routine, the Omega Cold Press Juicer Time-Saving Series combines performance, convenience, and style. Enjoy nutrient-packed, homemade juice every day, faster, easier, and healthier.